you ready? Show them white legs, boy. We've been in the cold weather too long. You are so sexy.
Oh boy.
Go fast.
Oh gosh, it's cold.
Go fast.
I'm Ray, and you're watching the Corn Dog Caravan channel. My wife Chris and I decided there's more to life than working and doing house projects. So we sold everything we own, built out a Ram ProMaster we call Lotus because others think it's stupid, and are traveling full-time seeing friends, family, and exploring the beautiful country around us, along with our 2 Boston Terriers.
We just started our initial walk into Zebra Slot. So today we're still in the Escalante area and we are off Hole in the Rock Road, which is a gravel road. So we had to take it easy, very washboard, and we're now walking into Zebra Slot. So hang on. We'll be showing you, hopefully, some amazing views in just a moment.
You've got Brutus in the backpack.
Do have Brutus in the backpack. He walked for a little while. Brutus is getting old, and I don't want to inadvertently overextend him because I've done that before with Sophie. So he'll walk a little, ride a little, probably ride a lot, and then walk some more. The life of a dog. Look both ways before you cross the wash.
So we are hearing that the slot is about waist deep. So we are unsure if we're going to go deep or how far. A little chilly water, nice and clean brown water. It's mineral rich, so it is good for our skin. Yeah. Like a loofah sponge on our feet as we walk through the cracks. Yeah.
We decided that we're going in. Woo, take it off. All right, you ready? Show them white legs, boy. We've been in the cold weather too long. You are so sexy. I know we should have brought our chicken poles, but I think you'll be all right. Go fast.
Oh, gosh, it's cold.
Go fast.
Oh.
Looks like you're peeing. Go fast. It was 30 degrees this morning. Come on, suck it up, Buttercup. You're gonna have to do the rest of it barefoot.
Hey, I think I see a gator.
You didn't take your shoes with you. I don't think there's any in here. Go explore. We didn't bring a towel either.
Okay, so I'm going in. Now there are these, what appears to be like a seashell or a rock embedded in the walls. There's some lower, but they look like round rocks, but I don't know what they are. Round. And I'm still walking through water. By the way, the gap. Let me just come down and show my. Yeah, it's a little dark. So I made an adjustment to my camera. Now This is really thin. Okay. Made it through the gap. Almost. Okay. I would love to go further, but I would need boots now. So we are done. Got a shot coming back. So that is the slot I just came out of. And that is it, folks. So if you are in the area of Escalante Staircase Monument in Utah, come to the zebra slots, or zebra slot. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know if it was helpful. Also, please comment below if you have any questions about the van build or suggestions about the future content as we build out this channel. Follow us along our journey on Facebook or Instagram using Corndog Caravan. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and tell your friends about our channel.